everyone, welcome to another episode of Cooking and Hating It. I'm Jamie Hamilton, and we have our AC on. If you watched last week, we didn't have our AC for like a few weeks, and thank you for bearing with me while I fucked everything up. I was stumbling over my words and da-da-da-da-da. But what I learned from this is you all want more vintage recipes. I'm not gonna do that every time, but today I have a good one for you. The recipe I have for you is a perfect prank. Seriously. It's like when you have a friend or a family member who says, no, I don't want your meal, I'll just take a salad only. Well, I have a salad. I'm making a salad this week. So we're gonna make a donut prune salad. Now what captivated me from this recipe? Let me read you this quote from this old recipe. Here's a crisp, fresh salad that will cause any meat and potatoes man to change his mind. So what's in a donut prune salad? You have your vegetable, lettuce, prunes, donuts, cottage cheese, and mayonnaise. Winning combination, I think, don't you? I feel like prunes, okay, I feel like they're going to become expensive. The reason is, I think it's uncool to eat prunes. Plus, I think there's a whole bunch of other people that are afraid of shitting themselves. Now remember, you're making this salad for a friend or family member who won't eat your other food but will only eat salads. I understand medical conditions, that's not what this is about, but I'm just talking about somebody who's obstinate and it really makes you upset. So you lay down some lettuce, and this recipe is going to call for 2 donuts. I chose glazed because, okay, I'll fight you on this, but it is the best flavor of donut that ever existed. I've never stewed prunes before. I never made this recipe before. What the fuck you think I eat bananas and prunes all the time? I do not. It looks like they're done, but guess what? They look bigger. They literally look bigger. Like, if you're bored, boil a prune to watch it grow. Now, at first glance, this looks like a perfect recipe for someone who hates cooking. But the part that I've been dreading for a long time is stuffing these prunes with cottage cheese. I've never done this before, so I imagine you just kind of like get a little knife, paring knife. This is a dollar store paring knife. And just like make a little hole to stuff. I'm positive these are supposed to look better. Next time someone comes to your place and asks for a salad, I want you to make them a donut prune salad. Now, I can't vouch for the taste yet, but Kevin and I are going to give a taste test right now. Hello, Kevin.
Hello.
You had a long, arduous day at work.
I guess.
I read something about a meat and potatoes man can begin to enjoy salads if they have a donut on top.
Oh, wow. That sounds amazing.
And sexist, but you know.
Yeah,
Anyways, so I have this is a donut with prunes, cottage cheese, and lettuce, and we have mayonnaise here. It suggests dunking it in it. So there you go. Before we get into this, what do you think you're gonna feel?
Salty, sweet, and oily. I don't know.
Oily?
Yes.
Really? I feel like, why mess with a good thing? Like a glazed donut's perfect on its own. Like, don't add any fillings. Don't do any of this stuff. So honestly, I think it's a trash recipe. But here we are, trying to satisfy my man.
Oh, well.
Okay. Should we try it?
Yeah, sure.
I'm not sure the situation, but I'm gonna try to get a bite that has prune, cottage cheese, glazed donut, a little bit of lettuce, well, and mayonnaise.
It's not bad.
Please, God. Who the fuck would suggest mayonnaise? I have mayonnaise on this. I'm gonna take a bite without mayonnaise. Much better. This is legit not bad. I like it. I like it. I really do. It's better than jam or whatever else people use to fuck up a good donut.
I like this lettuce too. It kind of tastes like a fast food chicken sandwich or something.
I know. It looks like one too.
It does.
It's good. When you take a bite, I'd say bypass the mayonnaise and the lettuce. What makes it a salad?
Is it the dressing?
Like, what makes a salad? I guess that's the thing. It's good though. Do you know anybody who is just kind of annoying when they say, I'll just take a salad?
Definitely, without a doubt.
Would you love to serve them this?
They would puke. They take one look at it and just go. You know what I'm talking about?
Yes. This might be like the binding force at the dinner table. This could bring people together.
I could see that, definitely.
The salad eaters and the dessert eaters.
Mm.
They're all eat together. I mean, I am both of those people, so I recognize it. But there are a lot of people who just eat one or the other. The art of seduction, right?
The art of seduction.
Maybe this meal is the art of seduction.
Maybe someone. Well, if here, let's test it out. So.
What are we doing?
I think we have to wrap our things around.
Oh.
Like.
Oh, God, big guy. Whoa. Look. There's a seed in this.
Your lucky day. It's kind of like a king's cake, isn't it?
Are you seduced?
I am totally seduced. I am entranced.
I think they should eat this at those sex retreats.
Yes.
I do too. What about speed dating?
Yes. Something to talk about. It breaks the ice.
It's true.
And at those sex retreats, they can have like, like what was it, like they have the people that are the sushi platters. They have,
Oh. I
they can have
translated.
a salad dessert.
In the last episode, I translated for him. Let me do it again. We're on the same wavelength. So he's talking about, the people that lay down, they're naked, and then people put sushi on their body, and people like eat off of it. It's like sushi platter. I don't know if people still do that. Right? That's what you're saying, right?
Yeah.
So you're saying they should put this on them?
Oh, hey, why not? If they're gonna have those human platters on, they have a dessert salad platter.
I think people would just get too turned on.
Yeah, and the cottage cheese would melt.
I'm gonna go back, I was not expecting to like this.
Me neither.
I really wasn't.
It's too bad the.
I feel like we had a date.
Yeah. That's sweet.
I think this is bringing us together.
I think so too.
Honestly.
Oh, darling.
This is like a teamwork thing. Teamwork!
Dessert. 1, 2, 3. Whoops.
One, two, three. Dessert.
Salad.
Donuts. Prunes. Great. So this recipe completely surprised me, and I do actually highly recommend it. Not just for pranks, but also for date night, speed dating, and anytime you want to get erotic. If you enjoyed this, if you enjoy anything I do, please subscribe, follow me on social media. I appreciate the love.